Hello, this section is for metric initial settings. We still continue to have a very blank system here. Under metric, our default page here is packages, which we have none. We need to download the facilities, download the categories, then set up item types. You should know what metric categories and facilities are. We'll introduce you to item types in this video. So for facilities, we go here, we press import. The facilities are then imported. We then move to categories. We press import. These are then imported. And at this point, you might want to remove categories that you won't be selling. So all we're interested in is keeping track of categories we use for sales. So you can go ahead and delete all of the categories that you know you'll never use. This isn't required, but it can be helpful to see less information. Next, we'll move to item types. Anything you provide in a transaction as a line item is considered an item type. That could be a bag, some kind of discount, or other things even like a service fee. So what we're going to do is convert our metric categories to pointless item types with this button here. See, here we have a number of item types that we might need to delete as well. So we can first delete those. We have some example item types in here that we don't need. I went ahead and deleted all but the discounts and the category types. So you'll have a category, department, and subcategory to work with. Now we can press plus for the metric types. Then we can filter for only the metric types. So we just converted all of those categories into types. Now you'll see what I mean when we need to assign some features. We'll zoom in. So I'm just using the mouse rolling and the control key. If you want, you can zoom in on these screens. You'll immediately see we can enable types. We can set them to use a scale. We have some features here that are not part of metric categories, such as simple price or price categories that we will get into later. One of the first things to note is that if you are doing weighed items as well as pre-roll, those might go into a metric group, which summarizes the total of two different categories together that add up to a total weight limit that a client may purchase. Therefore, for your pre-rolls, you'll have to go through and you might need to select one of these groups here, for example, group 2. As long as they're in the same group, they're going to summarize together. For items that print a label, an exit label, you'll need to select an exit label from the list. The labels are configured according to your business needs, and we do cover that in another video. This is just a reminder that you will need to set your labels for certain types of items. The unit of measurement is assigned in the item type, and they all pull in from the metric category, so you don't have to do anything with that. For now, this is all the features that you'll need to understand and that you can come back in here and adjust things as needed. Once you've done that, you've completed the initial setup and you can go move on to the package download. I'll introduce you to the package download here just by selecting a small date range. Those items are then downloaded. Then you can proceed with an intake. We'll cover this in the next video. We look forward to seeing you.